are Team Mango, and we are really thrilled to share the project that we completed in Professor Derek Biber's project management class, Dog Park is Agility Circuit. What's dog agility? Well, it is a sport in which the owners guide their dogs through a predetermined obstacle course. Tunnels, wave poles, tire jumps, and thistles are among the obstacles included on most courses. What is the project about? So, to address our dog's physical, social, and environmental needs, we plan to renovate a park and turn it into an off-leash agility dog park. A place where dogs can run, play, and have fun with other dogs and humans. Also, on weekends, dog owners will be able to spend time training their dogs in agility circuits or learn how to train their dogs in a group basic training session.
Everyone, this is Nafise. After knowing what's our project about, I will be talking about why this project is needed and what's the benefits of our project. We are living in Toronto, which is a big city, and most of the people are living in tiny apartments. And we all have friends and families that are dog owners, but they don't have any place to drain the energy of their dogs. To find out is there any need for this project and find some real data, we did a survey and asked dog owners that are they willing to pay money and take their dogs to a private dog park. As you can see the results, yeah, there is a need for our project. Okay, then we all know that for doing a project, all of the stakeholders that are involved or impacted are seeking for some benefit. What benefits would our stakeholders take from this project? The entrepreneur and dog owners are seeking for the money, so I will be talking about it in the next slide. Dog owners are seeking for draining the energy of their dogs, so our equipment would do that. And about the project team, I think because our project would be successful, so they could use our project on their resume. Let's talk about the profitability. We estimated that about 35 tickets we will sell per day, so the annual cash inflow would be more than $51,000. So the payback period would be less than 1 year. And after calculating the expenses, our estimated annual profit was $20,000. So the average rate of return would be around 40%, and I think it's awesome.
Hello everyone, my name is Cynthia Peralta, and I will talk about how my team and I plan to deliver the Dog Park project. First of all, our main milestones necessary to deliver this project were the renewal of existing park floor, installing dog off-leash areas, and building a ticket booth. So how did we do it? As my team and I will learn along this project, one of the biggest concerns among the dog owners is the safety of their pets. When they go to a park, they expect a clean area where dogs can run without the fear they could get hurt or dirty for the bad conditions of the area. That's why our first task were fund designers, manufacturers, and construction companies to accomplish our goals. First, our team researched for a designer to create a standard design that could combine with the park's general theme. After, we hired a construction company to realize the idea. In general, requesting a quote and signing a contract with a construction company took around a week. We arranged a meeting for representatives of the construction company and a designer to recreate the design floor and choose the day of construction. During this process, our managers were checking the progress to meet overall deadlines. Also, during this process, we identify, assess, and design the possible dog off-leash areas. As we have learned from the survey, one of the problematics with other existing parks was that owners used to feel unsafe when small and shy dogs would share the dog off-leash areas with more outgoing and big dogs. Finally, at the same time, part of the team searched bad and agility equipment and looked for a company to build a booth with tickets. First, we evaluate and assess the location where we will situate it strategically according to the neighborhood, transportation, and better access to the park. Secondly, they met with a designer to choose the ticket booth, color, and size, but necessary equipment, and agreed to deliver date with the supplier. Afterward, the construction company did floor renovation. They finally installed the equipment and a ticket booth.
So, what was the cost of the dog park project? Well, the dog park project, we initially started with $70,000. We thought that would be a great start point. That our budget would be $70,000, and that would be the cost of the renovation of the park, the demolition, and the equipment that we had to buy in order to fill the dog park with equipment needed, like agility equipment, things that toys for dogs, fences so that dogs don't run away, and basically contractors to do all the demolition and putting up the fences and renovating the park. So we put around $15,000 for the equipment for the dogs, and the rest would go for the rest 55,000 remaining would go for the contractors that would help us make or help us renovate the park. Basically, this 70,000 does not include our labor. We did not put any we did not calculate our money. We thought we would just work just like for the project, and but this 70,000 does not include our own labor. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. My name is Inayat, and I'll be sharing some of the top risks that we anticipate in our project. In particular, these risks we recognize as being of high probability. Firstly, as Aidan mentioned in the previous slide, our initial budget was higher than what we had to work with, and thus we had to reduce our budget. So one of the risks we will have to closely monitor is not to exceed the budget. We expect both the probability and impact of this risk to be high, as any change in the budget would impact the scope and timeline of the project. As a strategy, we would control the cost after each milestone, making it a mitigation strategy. Another risk is that of workers getting injured while on the job. While the probability of this happening is high, the impact is medium. This is because we would be putting all the liability of any injuries on the contractor or the construction company. This is the transfer strategy. Another risk is of noise complaints. The probability of this happening is high, as the area where we are building the dog park is in a neighborhood, but the impact is low. To tackle this, we will schedule the work only between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekdays, making it a mitigation strategy. Lastly, there is a risk of a delay in launching the project. Unfortunately, we understand that these things happen, and all we have to do is accept it.
Everything. We can see that we wanted to create a dog park that would meet dogs' needs and help people to socialize more. We wanted to renovate the place for the weekend activities, care facility, trainers, and training agility equipment. And then to recall, we analyzed and built the plan with all the wrinkles. We tried to meet our stakeholders' needs, such as revenue, social engagement, and also our personal goals, such as getting the new experience. Our team planned this project to be done in 4 months and within the $50,000 budget. Therefore, we divided tasks into small groups of mentors. After watch, each group was checking the part, only in their part of the work, and tried to finish by the deadline. Overall, the result came the way we wanted: a safe and engaging, innovative park for both people and dogs. It was an exciting project for me and my teammates, and we all enjoyed it. I hope you're also going to like it. Thank you for your time, and have a nice day.